Good morning, students. Today I will continue the chapter Ratio and Proportion, exercise 7.1. Yesterday I have told you about the rules, or you can say the laws of ratio and proportion. Today I will tell you some more questions of this exercise in which you can solve or you can use the rules. First question I have written here, question number 12, first part, exercise 7.1. This is chapter 7 as you know. If 4x square plus xy upon 3xy minus y square is equal to 12 by 5. Find x plus 2y upon 2x plus y. What you have to do? First of all, you see the question what is given and what you have to find. Here both are very different. Both are very different. Means you have to think some think about what solution or what steps you will take. Here you first do the cross multiplication of this equation. Means 5 in bracket 4x square plus xy is equal to 12 in bracket 3xy minus y. Then multiply this 5 into this bracket, you will get 20, 5 4 are 20x square, 5xy is equal to 36xy minus 12y. Then you take all the terms in left hand side. So minus 12y square, 36xy here in the left hand side, then the right hand side will be 0. 20x square, 5xy minus 36xy. These two you can write as the 31xy. Plus 12y square is equal to 0. Now you factorize it by the simple factorization which you have read in class 9. Factorization chapter. Also in the class 10 in the chapter 5. 20 to multiply these two, 12 into 20, that is 240, and take the factors of 240, that comes the sum of the two factors is equal to 31. So 16 and 15. The multiplication of 16 and 15 is 240 and the sum is 31 into xy plus 12y square. Then multiply this xy in this bracket, you will get 20x square minus 16xy minus 15xy plus 12y square is equal to 0. Now make the group these two and take common. 4x is common, 5x minus 4y minus 3 is common and y is also common. 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. Again 5x minus 4y in other bracket 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. After getting these two factors, you take 5x minus 4y is equal to 0 or 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. From this equation, you will get 5x is equal to 4y, or from this equation 4x is equal to 3y. Then x upon y, because y you can take in this side, So it will be 4 upon 5 or x upon y is equal to 3 by 4. There are two ratios, x upon y 4 by 5 and x upon y is 3 by 4. It means you will get the two answer. Two answer means x plus 2y upon 2x plus y. You have to find how to put. Now x plus 2y upon 2x plus y. You have to find the value of this. How to find the value of this? Very simple. X upon y is there and here the only x and y. If you divide this numerator and denominator by y, divide numerator and denominator by y, what you will get? X plus 2y whole upon y and 2x plus y whole upon y. And then write this x upon y and 2y upon y. मतलब इसको अलग करें. X upon y plus 2 whole upon 2x upon y plus 1. You can write like this. Now put the value x upon y is equal to 4 upon 5 and whatever it is given in the question. First you 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 when you put, so what you will get? This is equal to 4 upon 5 plus 2 whole upon 2 into 4 upon 5 plus 1. Means put this x upon y in this expression. Okay? X upon y 4 upon 5, x upon y 4 upon 5. Now simplify. After simplification you will get 4 plus 10 by 5 whole upon 8 plus 5 upon 5. 5 cancel, 14 upon 5. This is the first answer. Similarly, you will get the second answer when you put again the value of x upon y from the second equation. So this is the question. Now, one other type of question is there. Find the this is the question number 14. Find the two numbers in the ratio of 8 upon 7. Let two numbers in x upon y and this is given 8 upon 7. The two numbers are in 8 upon 7 such that when each is decreased by 12 and 1 by 2, each is decreased by. Now each number, but if you decrease the x by 25 by 2 and y also 25 by 2 and you will put here, so that will be complicated. So make easy, you let x is equal to 8k the first number and y is equal to 7k the second number. Whenever you get the ratio, always means if you want to do the simple one, make the simple one, you just let in this ratio the x is equal to 8 and one constant 8k and y is equal to 7. If you write x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7, that is wrong. You have to write with one constant, multiply one constant, because it is ratio, simplest form. So simplest form means you can not write. Suppose for example if 2 by 3 is given, suppose. So it is also the 4 by 6. If 4 by 6 is there, then it is also equal to 2 by 3 because with 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it means there are infinite ratios of a ratio, infinite values of a ratio. So therefore x is equal to 8k and y is equal to 7k. Now according to question, each number is decreased by 25/2. So the ratio becomes 11/9. Now 8k, because the first number is 8k, minus 25/2, and the second number is 7k minus 25/2, and the ratio is now 11/9. Simplify it and you will find the value of k. So how to simplify? Take the LCM, that is 16k minus 25 by 2 to cancel after taking the LCM in both numerator and denominator. 14k minus 25 is equal to 11/9. Now do the cross multiplication. 9 into 16k minus 25 is equal to 11 into 14k minus 25. So 144k minus 225 is equal to 154k minus 275. Now find the value of k. So 144k minus 154k is equal to minus 275 plus 225. So it will be minus 10k is equal to minus 50. Therefore k is equal to 5. After getting the value of k, you have to find the numbers, the two numbers. So x is equal to 8k and y is equal to what you have. The two numbers are x and y. X and y will be x and y. The two numbers are x and y. So x is equal to 8k and y is equal to 7k. So x is equal to 8k means 8 into 5, 40, and y is equal to 7k means 7 into 5, 35. These are the two numbers. So by this way, this is the simple one. The ratio you have read also in the previous classes, so therefore no problem. Now the other questions, like 17, question number 17. Three numbers are in the ratio 1/2. Three numbers are in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. If the sum of their squares is 244, if the sum of their squares is 144, find the numbers. You have to find the numbers. How to find the numbers? The three numbers are in this ratio. First of all, let three numbers are x, y and z. Clear? So x is equal to, y is equal to, and z is equal to. Write in proportion. X is to y is to z is equal to 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. I have told in the first video that you will write the number not in the fraction, in the simplest form. Take the LCM, multiply by the LCM, you will get a number. LCM is 12, multiply by 12. So 6 is to 4 is to 3. These are the numbers. Means x is equal to 6k, y is equal to 4k, and z is equal to 3k. These are the numbers. Actual numbers these are. Now take the square and take the sum. Because according to question, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, it is given 144. Put the value of the x, y and z. So 6k whole square, 4k whole square, 3k whole square is equal to 144. Now 36k square, 16k square, 9k square is equal to 144. Then add these numbers. 9, 6, 4 and 3, the sum of their squares. The sum of their square is 244. It is 244. In the question it is given the 244. So it is equal to 244 and then k square is equal to 244 divided by 61. So k square is equal to 4. So k is equal to plus minus 2. And the numbers are, what are the numbers? Numbers are 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Means then you can write now the numbers are 6 into 2, 4 into 2, 3 into 2, 12, 8 and 6. Similarly, you can write the plus minus. Why? Because the two values are there, plus and minus. So two values you need. Plus 12, plus 8, plus 6 are minus 12, minus 8, minus 6. So this is the question, is the way how to find the ratios. Some more questions I will tell you in the next part of the video. Therefore, for today it is sufficient. Now you have to do the practice and complete the exercise. If any doubt, then you can ask. Clear? Okay. Thank you.